Hey everyone, Luck here from Ani Ramen House. We opened up our first location in Montclair, New Jersey. We currently have 5 locations throughout New Jersey, and we proudly serve Japanese ramen and izakaya small plates. We are not your traditional Japanese ramen house. We are your downtown izakaya Tokyo Alley restaurant spot. Ani translates to older brother in Japanese, and that's what we want to be for our community. We want to be that older brother. We want to lead by example. We want to make sure that during this time we're giving back and we set the tone for all other businesses and restaurants to step up and take care of their community. This situation with COVID-19 it's been heartbreaking. We've got to close our doors, lay off 200 of our staff members. Before closing our doors, we planned the ultimate family meal, and we partnered up with Sun Noodle, and it started off as serving 200 to 400 meals to our current staff members. And then as we started looking through our restaurants, we realized that we had enough for almost 3,000 meals. We gave away 15,000 bowls of ramen to our staff members, other local restaurants, displaced hospitality members, and our community members. We just knew that was the right thing to do, and it left us wondering, what else can we do to give back? This can't be a one-day thing. The solution that came to us was pivoting to a nonprofit restaurant to say thank you to those in the front line of the crisis. We partnered up with Mark Bustos and Be Awesome Somebody to create Be Awesome Feed Somebody, and this is where we're introducing Rock City Pizza Company. With this streamlined and takeout-friendly menu, we're able to keep our doors open, meet the demands for takeout and delivery, and also give back to our community and rehire some of our team members. In addition to direct donations to help first responders, with every meal that someone purchases, they'll have an opportunity to purchase an additional meal at a reduced rate for the frontliners, those that are working 18-hour shifts that don't have the opportunity or the time that we do when we're safe at home. This full campaign will go to opening up 4 different locations, which Ani Ramen currently operates in: Jersey City, Montclair, Maplewood, and Summit. We're proud to announce our campaign ambassadors, Just Blaze, Gary Jones, Mark Bustos, and Victor Cruz. We've separately put in $25,000 already and are raising another $200,000 outside of this Kickstarter. Be Awesome Feed Somebody, along with the Rock City Pizza Company concept, is a 100% nonprofit 501c3. We're looking to raise the last $75,000 of the $275 to complete our operational pivot. This will go to purchasing equipment, paying for the cost of goods, and for staffing needs. If we raise anything over our $75,000 goal, that will go back to donated pies for those in need and for our frontline workers. On behalf of the Ani family, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your time and consideration for this project. We truly look forward to staying a part of this vibrant community and just finding more ways to give back with your help.